guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so much. And guys, today I'm so super excited because we are here in the living room and I'm thinking a quick little summer refresh before I start really mapping out what I'm going to do for Christmas. So I wasn't planning on doing too much summer decor, but I figured, why not? And anyway, this probably is in preparation for Christmas decor. So, and I did show you guys all of the items that I'll be using in this video in previous haul videos. And so I wanted to show you all how I'll use those items in my space. So if you're interested in seeing what I'll be doing, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so to start, I'm going to be removing all of the items that I have out from my spring decor. And I really was loving this kind of lavender and light pink colors. But for summer, I'm going to do something a little bit more earth tones. So we're getting everything out and then we'll add the new items in. So here I'm showing you guys some pillow covers. I did get those from Amazon. I showed them in a haul previously. And these pillows I picked up from Ross for $17 for the two. And so I'm going to just add those in. And if you guys have any questions about any of the items that you see me use, feel free to leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to let you guys know all the details. Now this is a new item, guys, that I just recently picked up from Ross for $45. It is super cute, this little end table. It's gold with the hairpin legs and mirrors on top. So you can see the table I did have there in the middle between the two chairs in the background, but I'm replacing that with this and I'll put that one somewhere else. But I thought this table was super cute. I absolutely love it. Now here guys, you're going to see me play around with these throw blankets for a good few minutes until I finally make a decision. So I was going to cut this part out, or at least a portion of it out, but I thought, you know what, I'd leave it in because I wanted you guys to know that even though like we are home decor enthusiasts, oftentimes we play around with things too before we have a final decision. And as you can see here, I wasn't sure how I wanted to use these blankets. So I just kept playing around with it until ultimately I decided that I wouldn't use them at all. So you'll see, again, I'm going to continue to play around with it for a bit and then you'll see how it all comes together. Leave me a comment down below to let me know if you guys do this at home too. Do you move things around and keep moving it until you finally are happy with where things end up? So this is another item that I recently picked up, this beautiful vase. It was $16.99 from Ross and this one was $12.99 from Ross. I love the color of them. I love that they have a real natural aesthetic. So that's kind of what I was going for right now for the summer. And yeah, I'm really happy with them. And I also like how the one has a bit of teal in it. That to me was very nice. So I decided to use that little gold table as a plant stand. So that's one of my plants there. And now we're turning our focus to the fireplace mantle. I'm going to leave it pretty much the same, but just change out a few items to bring in the teal color. Okay guys, and here's a final look at my summer living room decor. As you can see, I'm using teal as my accent color. You all know how much I love the beach, and so teal just gives me all of the beach vibes. And guys, I have to say, with the ottoman, because it is green and I was using teal, I felt like it was kind of clashing. So that's why I decided to bring in more of my live plants to have more green in this space, and I think it all works together beautifully. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, it helps when you leave comments. So be sure to leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about my living room space. And also if you're already thinking ahead towards Christmas. Alrighty guys, you know I love seeing all of your comments, so I look forward to seeing what you guys put there. And if you have any questions about any of the items that you saw in this video, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer. Alrighty guys, again, if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.